Alright, so let's dive right into why Kubernetes and AWS EKS are game changers in the world of cloud computing. Kubernetes has become the cornerstone for managing containers at scale, enabling seamless orchestration and automation. AWS EKS, or Elastic Kubernetes Service, simplifies the process even further by integrating natively with other AWS services. Mastering these technologies can significantly streamline your deployment processes, making your applications more resilient and scalable. Now that we've seen why Kubernetes and AWS EKS are so essential, let's discuss the hurdles you might face with Kubernetes cluster setup. Doing it manually can be quite daunting, involving intricate configurations and potential pitfalls that consume both time and resources. This complexity often leads to errors, requiring a streamlined solution. That's where AWS EKS steps in, offering a simplified, more efficient way to manage your clusters without the manual hassle. So, let's dive into how AWS EKS simplifies the whole Kubernetes management experience. By abstracting away the underlying complexities, EKS handles the heavy lifting for you, like provisioning control plane nodes and automating cluster operations. What's more, it's deeply integrated with AWS services such as IAM for security, CloudWatch for monitoring, and VPC for networking, creating a cohesive, powerful cloud-native environment. This integration not only streamlines your Kubernetes workflow but also enhances efficiency, reliability, and security. Now that we've covered how AWS EKS streamlines Kubernetes management, let's get hands-on and create an EKS cluster using the AWS Management Console. First, log into your AWS account and navigate to the EKS service. Click on Create Cluster and fill in the necessary details like your cluster name and role ARN. Make sure you select the right VPC and subnet configurations to ensure proper networking. Finally, review your settings and click Create. Watch as AWS provisions your Kubernetes control plane, making it ready for workload deployments. Alright, now that you've created your EKS cluster, let's steer clear of some common pitfalls. First, ensure your IAM roles have the necessary permissions. Failing to set them correctly can lead to access issues. Next, double-check your VPC configuration. Incorrect subnets or security groups can disrupt network communication. Lastly, always prioritize security by implementing least privilege access and regularly reviewing your configurations. Adopting these practices will help you maintain a smooth and secure EKS environment. Great job on setting up your AWS EKS cluster. Let's quickly recap the steps we took. We started by preparing the AWS environment, moved on to deploying the EKS cluster, and then addressed common pitfalls. Now it's your turn to try it out on your own. Don't forget to practice regularly to solidify your understanding. If you found this tutorial useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. We'd love to hear your setup experiences or any questions you may have in the comments below.